Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at the best mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter you can buy. The Cable Matters Mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter in black. If you're searching for a reliable, portable, and well-built way to connect your mini DisplayPort or Thunderbolt 2 device to a VGA display, this one stands out as a smart choice. Let's start with what this adapter actually does. The Cable Matters Mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter allows you to connect a computer or tablet with a mini DisplayPort or Thunderbolt 2 port to an HD TV, projector, or monitor that uses VGA. It's ideal for setups where you need to display content from a MacBook, Surface Pro, or other mini DisplayPort-equipped devices onto larger or older VGA monitors and projectors. The design is lightweight and compact, which makes it easy to carry around in your laptop bag. Despite its small size, it has a low-profile connector that doesn't block adjacent ports on your computer. The body includes molded strain relief that helps prevent cable wear and tear, and the ergonomic grip makes plugging and unplugging simple even in tight spaces. In terms of performance, the adapter supports video resolutions up to Full HD. That's 1080p, ensuring crisp visuals for presentations, movies, and everyday computing. The gold-plated connectors help resist corrosion and improve signal transmission, giving you a stable and high-quality output. This attention to build quality is one of the reasons Cable Matters has a strong reputation for dependable accessories. Compatibility is also one of this adapter's biggest strengths. It works seamlessly with a wide range of devices including Apple MacBook, MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, Mac Mini, and Mac Pro. It's also compatible with Microsoft Surface Pro 2, 3, and 4, as well as Surface Book models. You can use it with popular laptops from Lenovo's ThinkPad line, Dell's XPS and Latitude series, HP Envy laptops, Acer Aspire, Asus ZenBook, Intel NUC, and even Google's Chromebook Pixel. Essentially, if your device has a mini DisplayPort or Thunderbolt 2 connection, this adapter will do the job. It's important to note that a separate VGA cable is required to complete the connection. This adapter acts as the bridge between your device and the VGA cable that runs to your display. Once connected, setup is automatic, with no additional drivers or software needed. Just plug it in and your screen is ready to go. From a practicality standpoint, this adapter is perfect for professionals who frequently give presentations, students who connect laptops to classroom projectors, or anyone who wants to repurpose older VGA monitors with newer laptops. The reliability, build quality, and signal performance make it a great tool for both office and home use. To sum up, the Cable Matters Mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter delivers great compatibility, solid construction, and dependable video performance in a small and affordable package. Its plug-and-play simplicity combined with durable design makes it the best mini DisplayPort to VGA adapter on the market. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Product Critique, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next deep dive into the best tech accessories worth your time and money.